What does that say? Oh my god, that is light.
Adds like 35 horsepower.
Okay, so we're doing something special today. We're gonna go ahead and weigh my Nissan 240SX with an RB20 swap in it. We're over at Jeff's warehouse area. He's got this big old scale over here. What do you guys even use the scale for?
For trucks, like with aluminum leaving.
Oh, okay.
So weighing the truck when it comes in and out.
So that way you know how
That's
much
so big.
aluminum you give him. How accurate is the scale?
It's at 20 pounds.
It's to 20 pounds? Oh,
Yeah.
wow. So we're going to get pretty accurate on this. I'll give you guys a tour of the car, and then I want you guys to pause the video and then put your guesses in. We're going to go do our guesses as well, and then we're going to see who is most accurate. I was going to say maybe if somebody guesses accurately, I'd send you some merchandise, but you guys could just skip ahead in the video. So I did, however, ask on Instagram for people to guess, so whoever was the closest there gets some goodies. But back to the car. We got S13 over here. We got stock RB20 pretty much. We have the stock turbo. We got a beautiful 5-inch thick core intercooler over here with an E-fan on it. We got our also even more beautiful Koirad radiator over here with 2 E-fans on that. Oh yeah, so it's all tubed. This is all steel tubing. Got a bash bar over here. Other than that, this stuff is all fiberglass. Got some weight reduction over here naturally from fitment. Got the underside of the hood cut out. This is also fiberglass. That weighs pretty lightweight. There's no wipers in the car. What else? All right, I guess that wraps it up for up front. Wheels are supplied by Kruber/Up Garage. So we got the Work Rezax 2s. They're 18 by 9.5 up front, 18 by 12, -13 in the rear. And so you got 255s, 225s, standard bucket seats, completely stripped out underneath the dash is all gutted out. There's just an electrical panel back there. No gauges, no radio, no door speakers, and they still have glass in them as well. Manual doors. Got the FD spec roll cage over here. 1.5-inch tubing, 095 wall, fire extinguisher. Fiberglass over fenders with insides all cut out. No hatch glass. Carbon fiber hatch, little wingy boy on there, and everything else all fiberglass. And no hatch glass because that broke. Still got to put another one on. Otherwise, stock glass there as well.
What about exhaust?
Oh yeah, there's also no exhaust. It's just straight open downpipe, and that's it. What else? Am I missing anything? You think, Jeff?
That's all. There's not much.
I guess that's it. Yeah.
You got fire extinguisher, that weighs something.
Yeah.
Stickers.
Stickers. We got some stickers over there.
Add horsepower, add weight.
Yeah. We got some stickers over here.
This sticker
this
adds like 35 horsepower.
Yeah. So you guys should all order like 20 of them right now.
Yeah, 35 horsepower times 20. That's, I don't do math, but that's a lot.
Of course, we got our cool off-beat garage shift knob over here too. And you just
that one adds 700 by itself.
God damn it! Stop. So let's all go inside now, and we'll all do our guesses. So what do you think the 240 weighs?
Like 27.5, 28.
Okay. All right. Solid guess. I think that. No, I'm not gonna say my opinion. Solid guess. All right, Amy.
You first.
She got a strategy. She's smart.
Wait, does it actually matter though?
No.
She's fucking with it. So my guess, it's fully stripped out. I got the quarters cut on it. The wheels do weigh quite a bit. The RB weighs quite a bit, but the trans doesn't. I'm gonna say I want it to be like 2,600 pounds. So I'm gonna say 2,600, 26 or 2,500. So somewhere in that range right there. So okay, I'll do 2,550. 2,550 is what I'm betting. That's pretty light, right? I think I guessed too light. If it's 2,600, I think I'll be very happy. Okay, so what's your guess now?
You guys guessed too close at 2650 because that's between you guys.
Come on, Nikita.
Hello.
Hey.
What's up?
How much do you think my car weighs?
Which one?
240.
With the RB?
With RB. No hatch glass.
No hatch class? Okay, 2680.
26. God damn, dude, what the fuck? So
Why do you have to guess so close to mine?
God damn. All right, 2680. 2680. All right, Nikita's got 2680.
Why do you have to guess so close to mine?
You're doubting yourself now.
I feel like mine's gonna be right because you guys are all going low. Someone has to be that high number.
We all have like imagination that our cars are like super lightweight. That's why we're like, oh no.
Every single one of my cars I put on that scale, I'm like, holy shit, really?
Really? Yeah.
It really weighs that much.
If I gave up AC to not be at like 2,600 or so pounds, I'm gonna be pissed.
2701.
Not sweating my balls off over here just for my car to be super heavy. Well, we got one more person to call.
What time is it?
Your call
call has been forwarded to
12:19.
an automatic
Definitely
voice message
sleeping.
system.
Definitely sleeping.
Little sleep.
Ross, just give us one guess. Oh,
Hello?
hey, buddy.
Hey, Fiddle.
Okay, we're weighing my 240 right now. How much do you think it weighs?
With your fat ass in it or not?
No, not in it, and I still don't have the hatch glass in the rear.
You put on the glass or no glass?
No glass.
Probably like 25.
Holy shit! All right, okay, all right, 2,500.
So Roz is taking the low bet.
Yeah, you're definitely probably like the light on the lower side of the weight scale. Right?
Damn, so you're taking like bets from everyone and then gonna see where you're at?
Yeah, pretty much.
Damn, what's the wager?
He's just dick waving on who was the most accurate.
$5 betting. Well, we could do a bet on just dick figures. Do that one. Yeah, I'll raise it a little bit, knowing that's not too. Let's go 25.9.
Okay, all right.
25.9.
God, dude, everyone's hovering around 26.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
I'd go around there. I've never really had a 240 and I've never weighed a 240, but based on like what I see like the pro cars weighing, I know you can get up like to 24 if you go like super deuce and all that shit.
Okay.
Right? Am I right or am I wrong?
I don't know.
Oh, you're just acting dumb now because you don't want me to guess. I'm already too close to the number. What did you guess?
Well, I guess between 25 and 2,600.
No, that doesn't work.
What?
He actually
You have
guessed
to guess the
25.50.
number.
Oh
What the
yeah,
fuck is this?
no, and then
Okay.
I cut it in between. I was like, you know what? But it'll either be 2,550 or 2,600 is what I
I
said.
think it's gonna be between 50 pounds and 10,000 pounds for sure. Like, there's no doubt. No, dog. The whole point is you come up with a fucking number, not a window.
We'll look at the video and
It's a
see,
free
see
off-beat
what's
hat.
most accurate. Yeah.
Whoever wins gets a hat.
All right, you put it in 25.90.
Okay, you got it. We're gonna play around a little bit. Jeff's got this go-kart. This is a cheap seat time mobile, isn't that right?
Cheapest.
Cheapest. We got how much? Oh my God, it's piss and fuel.
Yeah, don't worry about it.
Okay. it's got a puddle there.
Yeah, it's just a little overkill.
This is $500.
Yeah. $500 for some old guy who's too old to ride anymore.
Aw, that's sad. Well, I guess you gave the go-kart new life.
Hey, yeah. Just gotten some good use here. $500 haven't like fixed anything on this. Just change the oil.
And then we got this huge. Trying to record. We just got this huge warehouse over here, courtesy of Jeff.
Welcome to
Thanks.
breakfast here.
And so we'll go take this thing for a rip right now. Got my safety goggles, of course.
We need to use some of the fuel.
This is good. Woo! You want to give us a little spin? Show us how it's done? So pretty impressive.
I think we're ready.
All right. Now that we have that intermittent fun, let's go ahead and weigh the car and see what it actually weighs. Oh, back into its resting place, see?
Biggest piece of junk.
E46.
Big
E46 M3.
Switch yours to the black one.
Big money waster.
Ooh. Ooh.
Texas.
This isn't FD legal, is it?
Holy. That's the brace?
Yeah, it's from Canada. So it comes with all the plates. It's like cut out the right size. Just weld her in. Right down these are like the rear subframe mounts.
God damn. Those are the NK boys.
NKEs. I saw them cast these in Japan when I went there.
That's pretty cool.
Pressure cast is sick. And then they spin them and make that lip. What does that say? Oh my god, that is light.
Oh no,
Oh my god. It's kind of hard to see, but...
No fucking, they're 2,400?
That's insane.
Are you sure that's accurate?
Yeah, it is.
Wait, okay, let me stand.
2480. That's what it says. It's almost 25.
Oh no, now it's 20. Now it says 25. Okay, how about I'm gonna go stand on there. Someone record that with some shade. I'm gonna stand on there and see where it goes. Oh, now it's going back 2480. So it's about 2490 or so.
It'll like bounce around between the 20. Let's see.
I'll see if I stand on here.
How much it weighs with him? What does that say? 26.6?
What is it at?
26.6.
I weigh 160 pounds, so.
So 26, like 160 extra. So it's 25.
So it's literally, yeah. So
like,
I think I might be between like a 165 or so, maybe.
So yeah, this thing weighs like
So
exactly 25.
So it's either 25 or maybe like 2490.
Yeah.
So somewhere in there.
it's probably about 24.90 because you're getting closer to the.
When you put the hatch glass on, you'll be right at 25.
Yeah, so I'm closer getting, because I weigh closer, probably like more to like 170 right now. So this is probably honestly like 2490, 2500. What the fuck? Dude.
Looking light.
I'm a happy boy right now. Dude, and that's with a heavy RB. Dude, yeah, so imagine if I had like an SR that weighed like, let's say 100 or so less. I think that's how much they weigh less.
No wonder it boogies. I mean,
Yeah.
weighs nothing.
Dude, all my weight reduction pays off. And that's with heavy wheels.
Yeah, you gotta have the big Johnnies.
These wheels weigh 52 pounds, I believe, with the tire. I made a video on weighing all of these wheels plus other wheels, a whole collection of wheels. So you guys can go check that out. But yeah, this combo right here, I believe, weighs about 52 pounds. So I got like 104 pounds just in wheels in the back. Crazy. Baller. Baller. Shout out to NK, dude. Put some NK RPF 1s on here. Super lightweight. You could, yeah, easily save like, you could definitely shave off like a good chunk of weight just switching wheels. Dude, so there you go, guys. I think the most accurate person on that, I think the person that had it the closest was Roz. Yeah, I definitely forgot what everyone guessed at this point of the day. So if we're looking at the locked in guesses, then I actually ended up coming the closest in at 2550, so only 60 pounds off from what the car actually weighed. But if you actually go with Roz's first guess, which was 2,500, right? Before I told him a little bit more about my car and then he changed it. Then his original guess of 2,500 was the closest. And it feels a little weird being the correct one guessing on my own car. So I'm just gonna go ahead and give the win to Roz for being the closest on guessing. As for the people that guessed on Instagram, I'm gonna be announcing the winner on my Instagram for who won the goodie little care package. Woo, so happy. Dope, dope, dope. I am very, very happy with that outcome right there. Hopefully some of you guys put some guesses down below in the comments before you actually saw the total for this. So, you know, we could actually compare and see what everyone was guessing on that. I'd be stoked to see what people actually did, and hopefully you guys didn't just skip forward and see the end result. Anyways, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos, of course, make sure to subscribe. If you are already subscribed, make sure to have notifications on. Other than that, follow me on Instagram, offbeat_garage. Check out the store, offbeatgarage.com, and then I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye! $24.90.
No way.
Yeah.
With an RB20?
Yeah. I keep telling people I made everything for weight reduction. Nobody believes me.
And that's with the 18 by 12.